Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines. AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that require human intelligence. These tasks include decision-making, problem-solving, learning, and understanding natural language. AI is based on the development of algorithms that can process and analyze huge amounts of data. Machine learning is a subset of AI, where machines can learn and improve from data without explicit programming. There are different types of AI, including narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, like facial recognition or virtual assistants. General AI, on the other hand, is a more advanced form of AI that can handle a wide range of tasks. AI has various applications in different industries, such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI can assist in diagnosing diseases and suggesting treatment options. In finance, AI can be used for fraud detection and investment analysis. In transportation, AI can improve autonomous vehicle technology. While AI has many benefits, there are also concerns about its impact on employment and privacy.